Hi friends, Sai Fernandra from SQL School and over 19 years of technical expertise exclusively on Microsoft technologies, especially on Azure. I assure you complete practice oriented classes. And this particular colorful course, Azure Data Engineering, a lengthy and very beautiful content. It includes ETL, data warehouse, big data, analytics. It includes data factory, synapse analytics, stream analytics, Databricks, IoT, and so on. I assure you complete in-depth activities for this entire beautiful course. It includes ETL, extract, transform, load technologies. It includes data warehouse technologies, data lake, storage, CI/CD, and Power BI integrations. On my screen, the detailed course content that we planned up for 2 months to ensure 100% practical step-by-step activities. Right from the scratch, Azure fundamentals to end-to-end real-time project for your resume. Why you wait for? Come on, let's join for a live demo class. Let's understand more beauty about our actual classes, the step-by-step activities. I'll wait for you for the live demo class. Thank you so much. See you.